stay healthy. It's gonna be cold without the jacket. Here is the jacket for you. Newly washed and very clean jacket. Okay? Just like the others, you will have a blue jacket. Yeah. The blue jacket is newly washed and very, very clean. Okay. Some tribal dance. Tribal dance. The northern part of the Philippines dance is this one. I'm gonna show you. But there's a Zumba version for this. Let's get the Zumba version. The Zumba version is faster. Yeah, the Zumba version is faster, of course. We love that. Connect, guys. Connect. You already have a jacket. You can connect easily.
You're beautiful.
Tribal of the Philippines. Dance. We're not going to dance? Dance. Sissy Wicko. It's a bird dance. How the bird move. Sisibit is a bird, you know. So Filipinos like to duplicate the move of the animals. So it's like a bird dancing. Sisiwit. Rudy Tugade, hello. Cha-cha-cha-cha. He doesn't like. Rudy Tugade. Lagyan natin ng damit, walang brief. Ayan, bagong laba. The color is blue. Your damit. Woohoo! Jump and jump and jump and jump. Happy. Exercise, guys. Sissy Sisiwit ko, sisiwit ko. Tumayo. Sisiwit ko. Lower, lower, lower. Woohoo! Breathless, I'm breathless. Yeah. Drink water. Okay, thank you very much, everyone. Wow, it's not yet finished. Sending all the love, sending all the good vibes from the Philippines to everyone. Good afternoon, good morning in all the world, all parts of the world. Okay, that's it for our Saturday Zumba. I hope you have fun, dancing with me. You got to do your workout routine. And as I was saying, it's gonna be not magic. So we will achieve our dream body, not instantly, but if you do it every day and you're consistent, of course, you should be disciplined with the foods that you eat. Okay, so I'm just an entertainment channel. So everything that you see here, those are all for entertainment. I want you to enjoy everything. Enjoy that day. Enjoy the Saturday, spreading the love. Those people who are there, I'll go back to your channel, guys. And I deeply appreciate how you are supporting our channel. And that's what I will do also to your channel. You support my channel and I also support your channel. And we support one another. Okay? So thank you very much. Here is Ed's Dance and Food saying, you're awesome. You're good. You're handsome. You're gorgeous. You're the best. So, pat yourself on the back and say, you're good. I am good. I'm beautiful. I'm handsome. I have a strong body and God will make me strong. And for the remaining years of our lives, we need to be spreading the love to one another. Spread the love to one another and be a blessing. Be an inspiration. Be an advocate of love. Spread the love to one another. You are blessed. You are healthy. I'm healthy. You're beautiful. I'm beautiful. And we're both happy because we are grateful. We are thankful. Always pray and always tell God that thank you very much, Lord. Thank you po sa buhay na ito. Thank you po sa buhay na ibinigay niyo sa akin. Each day that is being added in our lives, these are blessings. So yung araw-araw na nagising ka, it's already a blessing. Kaya spread the love and be kind. Laging mapagmahal to one another, to your kapwa, to your fellow men, to your fellow YouTubers. You support one another. This is Ed's Dance and Food saying bye-bye. Love you. Mwah! Mwah, mwah, mwah.